Thank you for joining us on today's tip of the week. Today we're going to be talking about the auto zip code feature inside the program. What this does is it creates a database based on the zip codes with the cities and states attached to that. And it's going to create that database as we go along. So to demonstrate it to you here today, I'm going to click on New Patient. I'm going to create a new patient. And then I'm going to tab my way down through here, and you'll notice it goes from street to street 2 and then skips over city and state and goes straight to postal code or zip code. And the reason for that is because you don't need to type in the city and state if it's going to populate it for you based on the zip code that you've typed in. Now, let me state this again. This database has not been created yet. It's being created by you as it goes along. So every zip code in the whole entire country isn't in here already. It's creating it as you go along. So if I were to use, for example, 85213, which is a zip code here locally, and I hit tab, the city, Mesa, and the state, Arizona, automatically populate. Because the city and state were in there, it went up to the city and then skipped down to home phone and skipped the state altogether, because I don't need to put that in. So let's go back, and if we did another one, 85212, for example, populates Gilbert, and so on. So now if there's a zip code like 85001 that I have never used before, which is in Phoenix, and I hit tab, it's going to automatically take me up to the city where nothing has been entered in. It didn't pre-populate that for me. So I'm going to type in Phoenix and then hit tab, and it goes over to the state again, and then it skips the zip code because that was already there, and we're to home phone. Now if I were to save these changes and do another new patient, and we'll go ahead and skip the name part of it just to kind of display it, and I use it again, 85001, Phoenix and Arizona populate in there. So that database is going to grow as you use the system. So the first time you're using a specific zip code, the city and state will be blank. Every time after that, it'll populate that city and state for you. Thanks for joining us on today's tip of the week. We hope you'll join us again next time.